All right, now we've all had this problem before. You buy your strawberries, you put them in the fridge, you go to get them the next day and it's moldy. Most people would just throw them in the bin. But I like to make a strawberry-infused gin Negroni. They don't need to be chopped up in any particular way. And we're just going to cover these with our gin. Pop these into the fridge and then we can make our Negroni. A Negroni is one of the simplest cocktails to make and I think they're absolutely amazing. You just need some ice in there. So it's equal parts Campari, gin, and vermouth. So we're going to start with our Campari, and then we're going to add our vermouth, and then we're going to add our strawberry gin. And now we're just going to pour this over a beautiful large ice block. Amazing. We'll garnish that with a good strawberry. And then you have a strawberry gin Negroni. So last night's Negroni now becomes tomorrow morning's breakfast. So we've got our gin-infused strawberries right here. We're just going to pop them straight into a pot. So we just need to cook this gin off. As you can see, it's boiling, the gin is evaporating. So now I just need to add our sugar. So equal parts sugar to fruit. To give it a little bit of an extra kick, we're gonna add a couple of small pieces of star anise. I'm gonna reduce the heat on this, and I'm just gonna simmer this for about 10 minutes until everything's really collapsed, and then I'm gonna pass it through a sieve. And then we can press these strawberries through the sieve. That'll do us. Now we can pop this into the container, and this will store in the fridge for easily 3 months. Beautiful, okay. So there you have it. From a moldy bunch of strawberries to a Negroni and breakfast the next day.